Honey, it's no secret that with matters of the heart, I'm reserved, I'm irrational, and rarely ever start. But since the start, you wanted to fight for a cause. Go on then, go out and fall in love. Don't stop believing in truth and grace. Because of a nip, tuck-took of fears and doubt, unveiling, tempered, high tensile, 8.8 high intensity love energy, clearing any stuck energy. I'll just smile heavenly and give ya a Vegemite sandwich with another dope beat switch, energizing, naturally testosterone pumping, xeno estrogen removing, the wide open spiral completion, fool's journey of reiterating the value of handwriting your story, steps in law of attraction, case in point evaluated, high quality, individualized, sovereign individual, talented, heart of the sky, talisman, tackling women's issues, the status of the divine feminine, a story never told or forgotten, from way back when, a remembrance of a commitment to destroy the infamous abuse of women in the military forces, out of control boys club self-destructive tactics, chain of command burying everything. The enemy within, sexual assaults shall come to an end. Half-mast, flag waving, something haunting all cultures, a sobering